Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today I'm going to show you how we stain and finish our wood without using stain or finish at all. Find out how. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We just work our way right out the door, and the very last thing we're going to do is put the stain, or I should say the impact oil. I want to say stain, but we're going to put the impact oil on these treads. We started with a staircase that was already stained and finished, but before we sanded it, we stripped it down first, and then after stripping it, then we sanded it, and we got the treads basically back to new. No spots, no finish, no stain, no nothing, just nice and smooth. Looking really good. Now we have to pick a color that will match the new flooring and really look good on the steps as well as the railing. So let's take a look at some of the initial choices. So right off the bat, I wanted to go and try to work with my impact oils. I really like working with them. I think they're really high quality. They give a really soft feel and they penetrate really nicely. We can get some high-end looks and finishes with them, and the feeling is oh so soft. So here's our well-worn and beaten sample kit. Bam. Look at all the colors, and I already have some taken out as well, so it's even more than that. We apply it by actually buffing it on, and once it dries, which is very quickly, you're done. No finish to apply. It is the color and finish all in one, and it gives you a soft, almost wax like feeling. It's a very luxurious look. You can actually do a couple different things with it. You can do a pre-color, which is a pre-tone, and then you can apply the impact oil, or you can just, like we're doing here, apply the impact oil directly to our wood. This is a rough sample of some of my impact oil colors here on the back of a tread, and that is another impact oil. I think that's the sand. I believe this is silver, papayas, and I'm not sure. I should have wrote them down. I know what they are when I see the cans. I'm thinking possibly this one, maybe. My client liked this one down here through a text message though, so we'll find out. Alright, so today we are actually going to be mixing two colors of impact oil. We're mixing the clay, and you can't tell, but it's silver, and we're gonna go about a 50-50. At a glance, when you look at these two colors, they are right out of the can. They're very similar, but they both have a different effect. Now technically I should be using a metal trowel to do this, or I can apply it with a rag. Now, if we were doing this for real, we would have added our hardener. It's 10% of hardener that you add to it, and then you buff it in and everything. This is just for sample sake. We're going to be sanding this tread down. It actually doesn't look bad. It has a lot more gray in it. I think that's what my client likes, the more gray. My client fell in love with and approved this sample. So now let's sit back and watch Hunter apply it, and then we'll see the completed job. This is a high-end way to finish your steps and rails. One step though, it cuts the job time in half because you put on this oil and it's the oil stain finish. It's everything in one. But the coolest part about it is it gives you the silkiest, smoothest feel anybody could ever hope for. And of course, I'm going to put the link for this Loba Impact Oil and exactly which colors we used in the description below. Well, so that is what we have going on here. We're going to be done shortly. You're not going to want to miss the job reveal when we're done. We're going to do a video on the entire completed job. It's going to be amazing. You're not going to want to miss it. We're going to end up possibly doing some more work here, maybe some wood on a wall or under a bar top. So we'll probably do some more videos that are going to be pretty interesting from this job. If you're new to the channel, we have a PayPal link below if you want us to help support our work or you just want to buy the guys lunch. We appreciate it. If you're new around here, you're going to also want to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors. Plus, we do my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.